How to fix Google Chrome volume problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy, and I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to your browser, go to the top corner right here and go down to settings. And now all what you have to do is just click on the option of privacy and security, and then go to site settings, scroll down until you find this option right here, click on it and scroll down again, and now search for the sound option right here, and here you go. Now click on it, and now all what you have to do is make sure that it's enabled, as you can see right here. If it's here, all what you have to do is make it here, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.